So, while you were busy agonizing over a 2-line prompt for your AI yesterday, some genius just went and built a whole virtual corporation with it. Like, a CEO agent bossing around an engineer agent, who then bosses around a QA agent. Meet Paperclip AI. It's the latest shiny object brain rot hitting Silicon Valley. Basically, it's an open source Node.js thingy from some anonymous hacker, Dada, who dropped it on March 4th, 26. And bam! It went viral. 32,000 GitHub stars in 3 weeks. Everyone on X or Twitter, or whatever they're calling it these days, was losing their minds over it. The hype was insane. If agents are employees, this is the company, they screamed. Companies like Rezo were flexing. We didn't hire a team. We assembled AI agents with Paperclip and Claude code. People started spinning up virtual companies on their own machines, running on localhost. AI CEOs, AI CTOs, entire AI engineering departments. The web got flooded with headlines about this open source platform turning AI agents into an actual company. Even Grok, that AI living on X, was shilling it, breaking down its dumb features. Org charts, goals, budgets, heartbeat schedulers, task ownership. All the corporate BS you thought AI was supposed to save us from. But here's the soul-crushing, token-wasting truth for you optimists. Paperclip AI is a scam. It's a drain on compute, your time, and just a giant monument to human gullibility. The whole idea is broken. AI coding agents are not human employees. Stop pretending they are. They don't need a middle manager. They don't need a QA review. They just need a damn clear prompt. Slapping an org chart onto AI agents does one thing. It adds lag, complexity, and burns through tokens without giving you anything real back. You're just paying to look busy. A CEO agent telling an engineer agent to tell a QA agent what to do. That's 3 times the tokens for work one agent could totally handle. It's paying for a virtual bureaucracy. That coordination overhead that makes sense for humans. We forget stuff. We have different skills. It's useless for AIs that share the same brain. They're not people, you absolute muppet. You know the real problem Paperclip claims to fix? An agent going nuts with 40,000 API calls because no one set a budget. Paperclip's genius fix? Budget caps. Or, just don't invent the chaos. Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, they already do the job better when you use them like tools, not like virtual employees needing performance reviews and a water cooler chat. This whole zero human company grift? It's just clickbait for venture capital and your dwindling API budget. You still need a human to set the goals, check the work, and actually make decisions. Gartner, those guys who tell us the sky is blue, predicts over 40% of these agent AI projects will be abandoned by 27. Paperclip just helps you burn through your cash faster. Here's the real takeaway for you eager tech bros. Coding AI works best when you treat it like wait for it coding AI, not some sad imitation of a human team. The teams actually winning in 26 are using agents to boost specific, small tasks. They're not building virtual Dilbert comic strips. You don't need an org chart for your AI agents. What you need is a clear prompt and a good model. That's it. Everything else is just management LARPing for a computer. Adding management layers to tools that don't need managing is peak Silicon Valley sickness. It's a solution looking for a problem, and the problem is your bank account. The real winners aren't building fake companies. They're using Claude code with a solid Claude MD file and getting way more done than Paperclip users with their 5-agent team. So next time you see some clown raving about their AI CEO, just remember they're paying triple for a slower, more complicated version of what a single, well-crafted prompt could do. You're not building the future. You're just paying extra for the illusion of a corporate ladder inside your terminal. Sweet dreams, token vampire.